Hey PitchGround, welcome back. My name is Richard Chen calling to you live from New York City, and joining me today is Matic from ReferralMagic. And we're excited to be here today to launch ReferralMagic on PitchGround. And what we're going to do is go over what ReferralMagic is, who's it for, how to redeem your PitchGround codes, and dive into the different features that is available to you with ReferralMagic. So Matic, welcome back to our call today. We're excited to have you here. We're excited to launch with you today. How are you doing?
Thanks for having me again. Yeah, we are doing fine. Super excited to be launching on PitchGround. So let's get started.
Awesome. So let's do a quick recap of what Referral Magic is and how it helps with companies in terms of their referral marketing.
Perfect. So ReferralMagic is a referral tracking software that helps developers, SaaS companies, e-commerce businesses run their referral campaigns through a simple widget or a form that is placed on their website. Yeah, we have 2,400 customers so far, and yeah, we are looking forward to be on the PitchGround.
Awesome. And so when it comes to referral marketing, why is your product able to help people achieve results?
Because it's easy to use, and it's backed by the experienced team of more than 20 years in the SaaS business. And because we basically developed the software based on our needs, as we were looking on the similar product on the market that is easy to use and not too expensive. So in terms of why referral marketing is important, is because customers won't recommend your service just because you ask them. And you need to show them the value first and provide and leverage your e-commerce, SaaS, or any kind of referral program. So if we go a little bit back into the why referral market is important, as we already discussed on the second call, I think, because it increases lifetime value of your customers. Obviously, because if you refer a customer, if you refer a friend, they know you, they know that they can trust you. So the rate of, if somebody suggests you, it's like 90% more chances that they will buy. Reduce the cost of acquisition, cost per acquisition in the advertising. It's really high. It can be high, especially if you're using paid marketing. In the referral marketing, the cost of acquisition is basically zero. Or if you count the reward that you are giving away, then it's the price of the reward. And I don't know if I mentioned, but it creates a positive brand awareness because people are talking about you, people are sending referral links, and usually they send an email and say, hey, I just found this awesome product, please check it out. So it has this viral loop inside. So yeah, that's why the referral marketing is really important, but you have to take some of the steps before you start with the referral marketing. So you have to know how to run the successful campaign. You have to talk to your customers first, and obviously you have to have the customer base before you start with the referral marketing.
Excellent, excellent. So I guess you can say, who would be the ideal customer for ReferralMagic? Which type of business or which type of industry?
I would say all the SaaS businesses, e-commerce developers that have at least some of the knowledge and technical knowledge. By some technical knowledge, I mean you have to know how to add a snippet on the site. So if you know how to add a JavaScript snippet from Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, then you are good to go. For the size of the companies, I would definitely say like SMEs and enterprise, or startups for that matter, that have some kind of traffic. So if you're a small startup with only 100 or 1,000 visitors per month, or maybe just 10 customers, then it's obviously really hard to run a successful campaign. So in terms of running the campaign, I would say there are a lot of tips, but I would definitely suggest to go extra mile with your subscribers, prospects, and customers. So having a good customer support team and trying to please your customers, ask questions, and help them. And yeah, of course, improve the customer support experience. Try to be good at building relationships with your customers. It's easier to ask for the referral. Personalize your messages as much as possible. And yeah, show appreciations for those that refer customers to you with incentives, and maybe sending a thank you email or letter or Amazon card. And really, really important thing, it's not the last step, but it's really important, promote your referral program. Not just embed a snippet on the site or use the link, but try to promote it. Write about it, blog about it, why you decided to run the referral campaign. Use a pop-up that comes out after a couple of seconds, or maybe after they click on a button. So try to get the word out. It's like showing a new feature. Customers will eventually find the feature or referral program, but it's more successful if you show them.
Excellent, excellent. So that was a great summary of what ReferralMagic is, as well as referral marketing. And let's say, for example, I'm a small business. I never had any experience with referral marketing. I have general technical knowledge, but let's say I run into some sort of roadblock using your software. Do you guys provide assistance with that?
Yeah, definitely. We provide assistance via email, help desk, and Zoom calls. I think we have calls with 90% of our customers. So for those that are really technical savvy and don't need a call, they use it for a couple of years now. But usually we have a call with them just to see what's their strategy and what are their needs. So we can maybe change a product a bit. But in terms, if you don't know anything about referral program, then just maybe take a time and think why you want to run a referral program. Choose the right strategy, which means ask your customers and think, what is this incentive? What is this maybe 10% of the product that you can give away for free if they give you another customer? One good example is, as we mentioned before, is a Dropbox. So they were pretty good at defining how many gigabytes of space do we need, how many storage do we need. So they gave us a little bit less, and if you want more, like 5 gigabytes, you have to just send a referral link to your friend. So that's how they grew their business. And I would say the same for any kind of business. Try to figure out what is the right incentive and have a good NPS score, as we already mentioned. And then it's pretty easy. Go to ReferralMagic site. Maybe we can show the demo. May I share the screen?
Yeah, let's totally do that. I'm sure our viewers are curious about how they can use ReferralMagic and what the dashboard actually looks like.
Sorry. So once you are on the PitchGround site, you will be redirected to claim your account. You enter your name, code, and your password, and that's how you create the account. Then let me show you what is the first step that you need to do.
You need to follow these easy steps. The first step is you need to create your referral campaign on your ReferralMagic account, and then you need to install the tracker. JavaScript code to your website. It's pretty easy, and as I said, it's quite similar adding Google Analytics code to your website. And then you add invite friend widget to your website so that your users or your website visitors or your customers can find their referral links, and then they can share with their audience, all right? And then optionally, you can integrate with third-party services like MailChimp, Recurly, and many others through Zapier.com. And then you will simply sit back and start watching incoming conversions through your referral programs, right? So this is your dashboard. And as you can see on this demo account, I have created 5 referral campaigns. I have a referral campaign for my website visitors, and I'm turning my website visitors into referral magnets. And I have another referral campaign for my business partners, and I'm incentivizing them for each new customer they bring to my business. And I have another referral campaign for my users and another one for my customers, right? So as you can see, I can create and manage multiple referral campaigns at the same time. And all these referral campaigns are running simultaneously on my website. And if you want to create a new referral campaign, you simply click this button, and on the next step, you enter the name of your referral campaign and enter the name of your website where you will be running this referral campaign. Then you have 3 options for your referral campaign type. The first one is conversion machine, and it's a 2-step funnel, all right? So it's a, well-known SaaS conversion funnel. First, website visitors come to your website, then they sign up for a free trial account, and then they upgrade. So the first conversion step is free sign up, free subscription, or purchasing a low plan tier or downloading an ebook from your website. And the second conversion step is upgrading to a paid plan, all right? And the second type is Signup Booster. So it's a 1-step funnel, like they come to your website and then they sign up, or then they purchase, all right? And the selfie is for yourself. So if you want to track conversions coming through your own referral link, you simply choose this option. And then you can share your referral link with your audience, with your colleagues, with your family members, friends, and then you track the coming in conversion through selfie. For this, let's continue with conversion funnel. And I click this button, and I will be redirected to the next step, which is installation instructions. All right, so let's install ReferralMagic on your website right now. You have just created your first referral campaign, and go to your referral dashboard, and on the right side, you will be clicking the installation instructions link, all right? And you will find a 1-line JavaScript code. And what you need to do is simply, you need to add that JavaScript code to your website. It's pretty easy, and it will take only a few minutes of time. And if you have added Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel in the past, you can do this pretty easily. But if you need help, just let us know, and we will be happy to help. And once it is added, we will make sure that it's running properly so that it can track every single website activity on your website coming through referral links. And installation is pretty easy and straightforward, and it will take only a few minutes of time. And if you have done Google Analytics integration on your website before, it's going to be really easy for you. So what you need to do is, on your website pages, you need to add this 1-line JavaScript code to your website pages inside head tag, all right? And once this is added, ReferralMagic will start tracking incoming website activities on your website. And whenever a first-time visit occurs to your website through a referral link, ReferralMagic will know this, all right? And once you implement this and you run this link, this yellow box will turn into green, all right? And then the next step is adding the conversion script to your website, and this is usually added to the thank you page, which is displayed right after signing up for a free account or downloading the ebook, etc. And you can pass the name and email address to us, but we recommend you to pass an encrypted ID address instead of a personal identifier. Once you pass an encrypted ID of your user or your visitor, website visitor, then you will be 100% compliant with GDPR, because we will not be storing any personal information about your website visitors, right? And then the next step, the final step, is tracking conversions. And so they have visited your website, they signed up for a free account, and then they upgrade to a paid account, paid plan, all right? You simply trigger this JavaScript code on your thank you page, which is displayed right after upgrading to a paid plan. And then ReferralMagic will detect the full cycle on your conversion funnel, all right? So once you implement these 3 JavaScript codes, you are done with tracking. ReferralMagic will start tracking new visits to your website through your referral links, free signups, and then paid upgrades, all right? So the next step is adding JavaScript invite friend widget to your website. Okay, so we added the tracker JavaScript code to your website, but what about if you have a WordPress website? What you need to do is, it's pretty easy. You add a plugin to your WordPress website, which will allow you to add JavaScript code to any page you prefer. And then you will simply add the one-line JavaScript code to your website, WordPress-powered website, that's all. Okay, if you want to install ReferralMagic on a WordPress website, it's pretty easy. What you need to do is you simply install a plugin to your WordPress website, and it is CSS and JavaScript toolbox. And once adding this JavaScript code plugin to your website, simply copy this tracker JavaScript code and click on this plugin. Okay, create a new code block, give a name to it, and then choose header and the last block and click create button. Okay, then paste that one-line JavaScript code to this content area, and from this field pick entire website and save it. Okay, and in this way you will complete the installation of tracking JavaScript code to your WordPress powered website. And the next step is adding the conversion script to the thank you page. Okay, so just to give you an example, we have a homepage, and on our homepage we have a form. It can be a lead generation form, it can be a free sign up form, doesn't matter. And once that form is submitted, on the thank you page we will trigger another JavaScript code, which is this one, and we will pass the unique identifier to ReferralMagic so that ReferralMagic can identify the incoming user. And you can give name and email address, but my personal opinion is, instead of name and email address, you can pass an encrypted ID. In this way, we will not be storing any personal information regarding your website visitors or users, and you will be 100% compliant with GDPR, all right? So copy this link right now and go to your ReferralMagic WordPress dashboard, click on CSS and JavaScript toolbox and add a second code block. Give a name to it like conversion, choose footer and last block. And then here, write this JavaScript code. So once the page is loaded, it will get the unique visitor ID from your Google Analytics integration, and it will pass it to ReferralMagic, all right? In this way, we will have 0 personal information about your website visitors. And then here, make sure that all checkboxes are unchecked, and under the page, simply check thank you page. So this JavaScript code will be triggered on the thank you page, which is displayed once the conversion is occurred, all right? So once this is done, clear your cache and open your website with a referral link, just like this one. Okay, so this is my website, test website. I enter my email address and I complete the conversion on the website, and the thank you page is displayed, right? So let's return back, and the conversion tracker is also working properly, right? So let's get back to the campaign dashboard. And here on the right side, you will see the number of conversions, the heartbeat, and you see conversion funnel is working right now. So I have 2 unique visits on my website coming through referral links, and 2 of them, 100% conversion, have converted, all right? So the conversion tracking and referral link tracking JavaScript codes are properly installed on my WordPress website. Okay, so we added the tracker JavaScript code to your website. We created your first referral campaign. And the next step is adding invite friend widget to your website, all right? So we have a few options here. And yeah, in order to start working your referral campaign on your dashboard, we need to complete this step. The reason is your users or customers need to find their unique referral links and on their dashboard or on your website. So we will pick one of these options and then we will add it to your website, all right? So we have 4 options right now. The first one is invite friend box widget. The second one is the pop-up widget. The third one is the checkout referral code. And the fourth one is our API. Okay, so we integrated the tracker JavaScript code to our WordPress website. And now it's time to add invite friend widget to our website. And we have a few options for this. So on the right side, click widget setup and scroll down. So you have a few options. The first one is the box, invite friend box. And as you can see, the JavaScript code is pretty customizable. So you can customize colors, phrases, etc. And the second option is the pop-up widget, which gives you more functionalities when it comes to referral link generation. And the third one is the API, all right? So just for this example, let's use the pop-up widget feature, all right? I click on this and I copy it. And then I return back to my WordPress admin area and I browse my pages. I edit my homepage because I want to show invite friend widget on my homepage, all right? And now I will place this JavaScript code to the right side here. And for this, I will simply add an HTML content area and I will paste my code here, okay? So yes, there are a few options for this JavaScript code. For example, I can trigger it instantly once the page is loaded, or I can trigger it after a specific amount of time, etc. Or I can trigger it whenever a button is clicked or on exit intent. It's up to you, but just for this example, I will trigger it after 3 seconds, okay? So I return back to my website page and I change this to wait, and I change wait seconds parameter to 3 seconds, all right? Now I update the page and then I return back to my home page. Now the page is loaded. After 3 seconds, the pop-up is displayed and you can customize everything here, Okay, so let me refresh my cache. Yes. Okay, so after 3 seconds, this pop-up will be displayed. And I enter my email address here, and I hit the enter button. And my unique referral link is displayed right here. I can send my referral link to my friend. Okay, I can share it on Twitter, Facebook, or Messenger. Or if I'm curious about my stats, I can simply send it to my email address. Okay, so whenever someone signs up with this link, as the website owner, I will see it on my referral dashboard. Okay, so right now we implemented the widget, and on the dashboard you can see my latest stats. Okay, so let's close this one and let's close our website. Okay, so the tracker is installed and the widget, invite friend widget, is also installed. Now you just sit back and wait for incoming conversions. All right, so we completed the installation, and
So coming back to my screen, that's basically really detailed how to set up the campaign and how to install all the widgets and snippets on the site. We also have the full-featured API for those that are buying the agency plan, but about that probably later.
Okay, yeah, we could definitely show like the API setup later. That was a very thorough walkthrough. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, that was actually our webinar from yesterday. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's already posted on there. And that way you can pause the video whenever you need to actually understand when you need to do certain actions within ReferralMagic and also on your website. So if we went a little bit too fast, it's okay. It's already recorded for you guys. You know, the ReferralMagic team already thought about this, and we made sure that all these resources are available to you guys. So I actually have a question coming in. So this question is, can you use this for like viral campaigns or viral giveaways?
Yeah, sure. That's
perfect. Which one of those 3 options would you use?
So if you're giving away socks, is it? It depends what kind of campaign it is. It's probably a conversion campaign, right?
Probably, yeah.
So anyway, if you want them to subscribe to your newsletter or just sign up to your platform, then choose sign up campaign. If you want product to be purchased and then you reward them, then you have to choose the conversion machine. So the only difference between conversion machine and sign-up booster is that conversion machine means that somebody has to pay for the product already.
Awesome, awesome. So I guess let's jump straight into the lifetime deal. So it's currently live on our website. If you guys go to pitchground.com/products/referralmagic, you'll jump straight to our deal page. And on the deal page, we'll go over all the various features of ReferralMagic. You'll see all the prior webinars that we've done. But what I want you to do, Matic, is to explain the differences between the different plans.
Okay. Let me switch. Let me go back and I will share the screen. So I guess you can see the screen. Let's scroll down to the plans. So we have 3 plans and 1 add-on. The first plan is for startups. You can run 3 campaigns on 1 domain, so you can A/B test. We don't offer a white label here. You have full access to all the general features, to the reward manager, and all the basic integrations, which means everything, but we are not including the full-featured API here. On the Pro account, you get 10 campaigns and 3 domains. So you can run referral campaigns on different websites. Anything else is the same as on the plan number 1. So you get the Zapier integration, MailChimp, JavaScript widgets, Recurly, and webhooks. And the last plan is actually for the agencies. You can run unlimited campaigns. You get 25 domains. The option of the white label is possible here. And you get all of the API, tracking, etc., etc. So it's, yeah, pretty straightforward. The difference are in the API and how many campaigns can you run on the plan number 1, 2, and 3.
Awesome, awesome. And then we also have the agency add-on pack for those of you who have a lot of clients that you want to sell sell this service to. And it basically is $69 for additional 5 domains.
Yeah.
But this is stackable on top of your agency plan. You can't get them separately. You actually have to get the agency plan first.
Exactly.
Awesome. So it's very exciting to have you here. So what we're going to do is, because Facebook Live is currently having issues, I'm going to repost this video onto our page, onto our group, onto our YouTube. And if you guys have questions, if you guys have concerns, if you guys just want to say hi to Matic and the team, make sure you leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, and anything that you guys want to ask it in the comment section. We're here to help you guys out. And you guys are always hear me say this: help us help you. Help you make the best decisions for your business. And if you're in this e-commerce space, if you're a SaaS, if you're a developer, and you want to incorporate these features, these referral features into your business, let's talk, let's take some action, and we'll make magic happen for you. So that ends my time for today. Thank you for joining us, Matic. We look forward to serving you guys. Take care.
Take care. Bye, guys.